a tool that can call 10,000 people at once, book appointments on autopilot, and more. So it can be customer service, booking appointments, whatever it may be. A tool like this is like having an A-plus appointment setter that works 24/7, 365 days a year for a wage lower than somebody in the Philippines with an accent that doesn't want to come to work every day, etc., etc. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. And it has over 10,000 integrations. It's able to call over 10,000 leads per minute. It's able to generate high-quality custom script on its own, connecting directly with your Go High Level calendar to actually book those appointments, having a completely open API, which adds so much customization possibility, creating a post-call transcription, having 6+ voice options from, Southern accents to Australian accents, ability to speak in English and Spanish, automatically record all calls, track outcome of the call in one sentence using an AI transcription, and having an infinite knowledge base, which is essentially a perfect recall. It can know everything that you've ever uploaded to it in just a second. I used AI and learned how to leverage it for my business and 10x my returns super fast. I adapted proven strategies that helped me solve every single bottleneck most businesses were facing. And the AI can produce crazy results. And this is really just the tip of the iceberg. You can kind of see it here. This is how much was spent in this row. This is how many appointments they got. And this is what the cost per appointment was. Like $6 cost per appointment, $5, $5, $50, which is still great. $5, $6, it's crazy. $6 cost per appointments. What would you do if you could spend $6 and get appointments? That would be game over. That would be so crazy. Building an AI caller allowed me to be the most valuable business in my niche. It let me essentially create the scenario where you're super valuable. And to kind of show you a scenario just like this, I want to talk about like an example. You're in insurance and you have a mini call center. That's a bunch of people just calling leads and following up and doing support calls as well. Let's say one employee at minimum is making $35K a year. And then what we can do is 10 times more work and save you so much more money annually with it by just using an AI appointment setter, using that AI to actually book the appointments, and then using AI for the support calls. And as you can see here, the average setter in Los Angeles is costing, on average $53,000 a year. For one person, that's one. One. There's whole call centers full of people, and that is just one. So that said, if you were to go ahead and implement these AI infrastructures, you would be saving these companies so much money, and they would be stupid not to pay you loads for it.